Hi everyone, this is Annette, Purple Paisley Planner. So I got some happy mail today. So I came home and this was on my porch. It's the Erin Condren bundle kit, and she has this on sale on her Erin Condren website. I'll have the link below in my description. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you'll know when I'm on live and when I upload a video. So my Pomeranians are barking in the background, so if you hear them, they're just barking. I just got home and they're just, yeah, that's how dogs do. My little Poms, they're like family, my little babies. So let me show you what I got in this box. I already opened it, but it came really nice and packaged. Let me show you here. I need more room space. It came in this yellow packaging, so I'm going to take it out and I'll show you what came in it. So it came in this bubble wrap, and I'm going to take it out of there. Isn't this nice? And it's already loaded with a lot of goodies in here that came in the kit. But it's a nice tote. It's a nice bag. It's nice. It's got nice handles. You could take it with you, like if you're going to a planner meetup. You could put your planners, your markers, your stickers, your clips, everything. But let me show you what came in this kit. So here's, oh, and then a marker. Is there anything? It's a nice, it's really nice. A nice tote, and it's got her logo right there. And right there it says Erin Condren. It's nice. It's a really nice bag. Nice bag, and it's not nice, nothing cheap. It's nice. So okay. So it came with some markers. It's the colorful dual tip marker. 6 markers, and it comes in magenta, dark orange, teal, cornflower, purple, and black. Nice, isn't it? So it comes with these markers. Then it had this tissue paper, and then let me make sure, what's this? Oh, this has got my coupon code on there. So it came with some tags and stickers. Here's a postcard and a sticker. It says enjoy to and from. And then this one here is a postcard. That's nice. Your life is a story. Write well and edit often. Nice. So right there. And then it came with this jot your thought. Includes 80 pages, lined pages. So this is really nice. So look at the pages. So if I'm writing down a grocery list, important notes I want to take down and then stick it in my purse, this is nice to have. So this is really nice. Nice. It's got Erin Condren's logo on here at the bottom. Really nice. And then, oh, this, oh, ooh la la. So this here, let me take this out. It's the Lux Weekly Schedule Pad. It's gold lettering, gold foiling with gold coils right here. And it's got her logo in gold. This is really nice. This is not cheap. And then it stands, look. It stands, so that's really nice. So it's got like a vellum page right here. And then all the other pages is like week of. So it's in foiling, and it says week of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So it's got a lot of pages in here. This is really nice. I like this. So I will have her link below in my description below. I'll have the link where you could click and go. And it's under the sales section in her Erin Condren website, at her Erin Condren website, but this is really nice. So check it out. The link, you should get a little discount when you click on the link. But this is already on sale. I mean, my goodness, this is nice. This is really nice. So everyone have a good day. I just got home. This package was sitting on my porch. I like it. I love my neighborhood because, you know, the neighbors look out for your packages and make sure nobody, because you know how people just go up there on your porch and steal your package. Plus, I got my camera right there, so yeah. So I know when somebody comes and goes. So this is Annette, Purple Paisley Planner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and click the notification bell. Everyone stay positive, have a super duper evening, and I'll talk to everyone later. Bye-bye.